Oh dear, that looks like the nose of the swordfish. Oh dear, that looks like a bit of the swordfish as well. Oh dear, that's a motor off the swordfish. Oh, and where's the prop gone? Completely disintegrated. Oh, and here's the swordfish. I hated this thing from the moment I got it, and I thought today I'm going to fly it. I'm going to throw it. Didn't video it, but managed to launch it okay. But then, like a fool, didn't intend to go around that way, but like a fool, flew round into the sun, lost the plot a little bit, and dived straight, head first, bump, into the ground. Every time I've come up here, I've ended up with broken props. This time I've ended up with broken plane. Why did I ever buy that thing? So I think I'm going to call it a day with this pilot. But as you can see, I'm not a quitter. I haven't actually done away with it. I was very tempted at the time to actually jump up and down on it to make it totally destroyed, because I've had so many problems with this Atom RC Swordfish. What a wonderful plane, all the reviewers said. So what can you see that's different here? Well, I did see online other people complaining about it, about its flying characteristics being as bad, and had seen that people had changed it from a V-tail, and that's very appropriate here, from a V-tail to a conventional tail. So after a little bit of work with scalpel blade, basically just cut these off and re-glued it, but in the horizontal plane. Plus that's a fin from one of my old little creations. It's a bit on the small side. Certainly might try and actually make it a bit longer, because it's not really in proportion. And as I said, I've seen quite a few comments from people saying this is way too big. I might actually chop the ends of those off. Anyway, so as you can see, conventional tail, half an hour with a glue gun, and the nose was back on, motor mount was back on. Still considering what to do about props, because I've broken, every time I've gone out with this, I've broken props. Because as you can see, belly lander, doesn't matter what you do with it, you're going to break props. Tried putting an undercarriage on, that was a total fail. Couldn't get it off the ground. So it's going to be hand launched. I've taken out my Speedy Bee flight controller, it's just got a receiver in it. I'm going to try and get it flying properly, and then maybe I'll think about trying to make it an FPV plane, because I'm still on that quest. So that's the story so far, folks. Little bit of an update on my quest for FPV and my swordfish. Apologies for not much output from me of late, but if you're a follower of my channel, you'll know that I bought 4 garage sale planes. They've kept me busy for a long time trying to get those sorted, and quite a few test flights. I think I'm getting there with those. Particularly my Hawk Little Vampire, took that up and had another almost successful flight with that, because that's been quite a challenge. So quite a few challenging projects on the go, but nothing really new. So thought I'd bring you up to date. If you've enjoyed my little tale, please give it a like. If one day you want to see a successful test flight of the Atom RC Swordfish, which does have some good reviews online, then why not hit the old subscribe button, because I'm pretty determined one day to get it flying. But I'll stop waffling. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully catch you all again soon. Bye for now.